Facial lymphatic brushes are trending in skincare routines, and the Kojeva Lymphatic Brush claims to help reduce puffiness, improve circulation, and sculpt your face. But the real question is it actually good for your face or just another beauty gadget? Let's break it down. So the Kojeva Lymphatic Brush is a handheld tool with soft bristles designed for gentle massage on the face and neck. The idea is to promote lymphatic drainage, a process that helps move fluid and reduce puffiness, which can make your skin temporarily look firmer and more radiant. Facial massage, whether with hands or a brush, does have benefits. It can help reduce facial puffiness and fluid buildup. It may improve microcirculation for a brighter look and adds a relaxing self-care step to your routine. Just keep expectations realistic. This doesn't alter your bone structure or sculpt permanently. It enhances how your face looks in the moment by reducing swelling and encouraging circulation. Many users report that the lymphatic brushing feels calming, helps reduce morning puffiness, and gives a subtle lifted glow. Some don't notice much change, especially if puffiness isn't part of their concern. The effect is usually mild and temporary. Always use gentle pressure, follow proper directions, and avoid dragging skin too hard. The bottom line, the Kojeva Lymphatic Brush can be a nice addition to your skincare routine if you want relaxing massage, reduced puffiness, and a brighter look, but it's not a miracle sculpting tool or a replacement for professional treatments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.